So this is the Recon CS6 Nerf gun. Now I can't shoot the gun, I can pull the trigger, but my brother jammed and put a wrong bullet inside of it. So I pulled this all the way back. Neither can I take out the bullet cartridge. So, but this is the main gun. This is where all the spring-loaded and shooting happens. Recon CS6 right here. So this is the part that shoots. You could just do this all by itself and it would be kind of a giant pistol. This is the front part. It is the, what I like to call the bullet tube, and it has a aimer right here, and it attaches to right here, but I will attach the pieces all later. So this is this is supposed to go under this, but I like to put it right here, and you'll see why when I assemble it. But it has a dead battery, but it's the laser pointer thingy that helps you aim. This is the back of the gun. It holds the cartridge. I can't show you, but right here and here, it clips into there, and then you can just do that. So now I'm going to assemble it. First, I will assemble the back. As I said, this is really not necessary. It can come off all the time. So I can put it on, and some parts of this gun are end strike. So as you can see, this is an end strike back of the gun. So it just snaps in, and then if I pull this down, it snaps out. So now I'm going to assemble the bullet tube. I'm going to put it right here in through these notches right here and here. I'm going to find the notches and I'm going to twist, and then this bubble thingy locks in to this hole. And then finally, the laser pointer. I think it's supposed to go here by the way the back is designed. Here's the way I think it's supposed to go, but I like putting it so it's one of those. So it's like one of those clear aims, but it really isn't. It would never be. So, and this also has an effect. Oh, come on. This also has another effect for the sliding on. It can slide onto these tracks right here, here, and here. But I like to put it here where I load the gun. It has these, and these can go down, and then you can like put one side on, and then another, and then it'll snap in, and then I can hold the gun. So this is the gun finished. I like to take this back part off, so it's like that, but if you want to see the whole gun finished, it would be like this. So that is how